And fireball!
That was perfectly fine.
That's edible?
Oh, I didn't like that. I did not like how you did that.
This season, because with Derek, and I run and I accidentally like pinned him down to the ground. He scraped like his whole leg was bleeding. And he's like, "It's okay, Mr. Noah. I feel like Tom Cruise doing my own stunts." I was like, ew, what is this? What is this? Is it shit?
It's the final countdown.
Okay, that's enough. They are so cute.
No, that's not what we do.
Sorry.